Hi, thank you for your interest in our BMW M2. Let me show you around the car. So this is it, 2020 BMW M2 Competition. The car's done 6,800 miles. It was originally a BMW car and was bought with virtually no mileage on, as they only had the one owner since. Condition is superb, and we don't say that lightly. The car has been dry stored its whole life. It's only been maintained at BMW. It's got a full main dealer service history, and it also has a fantastic specification. Let me show you around the condition. So alloy wheels are unmarked. We've got Michelin Pilot Sports all round, and they're all BMW Star approved. Also has spinning self-leveling centre caps, which are a really nice touch. It's got a full BMW M carbon exterior kit, all genuine equipment. Includes these wing vents, the mirrors, side skirts, and front splitter and rear diffuser. There's no dings, dents, and the car's never had any paintwork or repairs. It's all original. None of the alloys are marked. The Michelins are on the same tyres all round. If you look down the side, you can see it is perfectly straight. No dings, dents, or wobbles. The carbon kit also comes with the rear carbon spoiler. Another feature this car has, it has a Remus catback race exhaust system. Sounds absolutely fantastic and definitely improves the rear look of the car, especially with the carbon diffuser. You can't see that unsightly box that the standard ones come with. Again, down this side, no marks, no dings, no dents, no wobbly panels. Again, unmarked. Having only done 6,800 miles, tyres and brakes are in fantastic condition. You can see the front splitter. It has the carbon grills. So very nice condition car. The only other feature, which is non-BMW, was the wrapped carbon roof, which I think is a really nice addition and just finishes it off with the carbon pack. Factory privacy glass. Let me show you inside. Car has a great specification. We've got the M Competition interior, which is a mix of Alcantara and leather with a blue stitching, all in lovely condition. Harman Kardon hi-fi. He's added a genuine BMW Alcantara steering wheel. See how clean the seats are, no marks on the bolsters. It's got the Comfort Plus pack, so electric memory seats on both sides. The rear is as new. I'm going to start the car up for you. Next service is due in November. I'll just show you the vehicle's service history. So the service history is as follows. The most important service on the M cars is the running in service, which was done on time at 1,000 miles, 1,008 miles. Then it had its first engine and microfilter service done in 2021 at 3,000 miles. 2022 would just be a brake fluid change. Then in 2023 it had a big service, which was engine oil, vehicle check, microfilter, air cleaner and spark plugs. Even though it had only done 4,000 miles. Probably a waste of money in all honesty, but this particular owner likes everything to be done exactly as BMW recommend.
The next service would again be a brake fluid change, and then the most recent one, which was only done in October at 5,800 miles, would have been a standard oil and wiper filter. The next service that's due is a brake fluid change in November this year. That's going to be the MOT, and then the next oil service is due in October 2020. Car also has the Alcantara steering wheels I've mentioned before, Harman Kardon Hi-Fi, but the best thing about this car is definitely the condition. Let me also let you hear the exhaust. This is it in standard mode. That is at 2,500 RPM, and then in M mode again at 2,500 RPM. It really does sound amazing. So that's it. The car's ready to go. It's just arrived. Condition is amazing. We can offer finance from 8.9% APR. Can I get home delivery? Car comes with 6 months warranty. We're happy to look at part exchanges. If you're interested, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.